In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to steal the ball in NBA 2K26. Stealing ball in NBA is really easy. For that, we just have to go towards our opponent and then press X key on Xbox or square on PlayStation like so, and then the ball will be stolen. So let's try it again. I just need to go towards my opponent and now press X key. Do not spam it, just press it at the right time and the ball will be easily stolen from your opponent. Now let's try intermediate steal. For that, we need to go towards our opponent and then move your right stick left or right depending on the position of ball. In my case, it is on the right side, so for that I need to move my right stick to that particular side and then the ball will be stolen from my opponent's hand with this intermediate steal. Now let's try it again. For that, we just have to go towards our opponent and now move the right stick and then the ball will be stolen perfectly. If you use the hand closer to the ball, it will give you better results. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.